Okay, so I got another shipment from WeLoveFine. Let's see what's in this one. Okay, it looks like another one of the Derpy posters. Awesome Derpy keychain. Another blind bag. Oh, a duplicate. I guess I have two sparkling rainbow dashes now. Yes, the another rainbow dash bag. Ah, more Derpy. Derpy in the paper bags. Now for the shirts. I got 5 of them this time. So first, fairly popular shirt. Sweetie Belle May. One of the stained glass windows in the show. To go along with all the Derpy stuff. I just don't know what went wrong. And I got a couple polos. First of all, Fluttershy cutie mark to go along with my t-shirt. And of course one of the best things I've seen, the gummy polo, which is a really, really great reference. And that's it for this one.